What is a stack?
A stack is a fundamental data structure in computer science. It follows the last in, first out principle, meaning the last item added is the first to be removed. Common uses include undo features in software, expression evaluation, and navigating history in web browsers. Stacks are simple yet powerful and can be implemented using arrays or lists.
Key stack operations.
There are two main operations in a stack, push and pop. Push adds an element to the top of the stack, while pop removes the top element. Additional helpful functions include peek, which views the top item without removing it, and isEmpty, which checks if the stack has any elements. These operations allow stacks to manage data efficiently and predictably.
Using arrays to build a stack.
To implement a stack with arrays, create an array and a pointer to track the top. Pushing means checking for space, then storing the new element and moving the pointer up. Popping removes the top element and moves the pointer down. Be mindful of array size limits. If the array is full, further pushes require resizing or rejection.
Using lists to build a stack.
Lists, especially in languages like Python, make stack implementation easier. Simply use built-in list methods. Append to push an element and pop to remove the last item. Lists grow dynamically, so you rarely need to worry about size restrictions. This approach is flexible and straightforward for most programming needs.
When to use stacks.
Stacks are useful in situations where order matters and you need to reverse actions easily. Examples include undo-redo operations, parsing expressions, and backtracking algorithms. Understanding how to implement a stack using arrays or lists is a foundational skill for coding and problem-solving in computer science.